Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Crypto Guy. What's happening in the crypto market? Is Bitcoin is going down? Is Bitcoin is going up? Are we already in a bear market? Are we is the end of the bear market or are we in the bear market in a long bull run? Market wrap, most continuous sell-off, crypto price drop before a slight recovery. Google, Alibaba among more than 300 companies seeking Singapore crypto licenses. China launches crypto ride protection blockchain. And if you want to see all of this news, so stay tuned and let's get into it. Okay guys, let's start with crypto fear and greed index, and here you can see now it's getting a little bit better. Last week it was extreme fear, it was about 18, yesterday it was 27, and now it's 24. So I mean it start getting better, but now we are seeing another dip in the market. So let's have a quick review on CoinGecko, and here you can see that in 7 days we are just up for like 1%. Ethereum is almost up like 9%. Binance coin is always up like 20%. It's also have a major dip. It went up about like 260 250, and now it's hovering around 400 bucks. Cardano is also like recovering. Altcoins are pumping more than the Bitcoin. That's always happened. So market have a little bit recovery, but now recently market is start showing a bearish sign again. Is it really happening? What's going on? I mean, everybody is shocked why the Bitcoin prices are not going up. Here you can see that in 1 week, 1 month, and 3 months we are going down. So if you bought in 3 months, you're already in loss. But if you have holder your Bitcoin position for more than 6 months, you are in profit around 5%. So I always tell you guys, buy, hodl, accumulate, and think for a longer picture. Okay, so let's start with some technical analysis of Bitcoin. Here you can see that we are hovering around about 36,000K, and we are on 1 hour chart. On 1 hour chart you can see that we have pump above this 20 weekly moving average. That was a good sign. We came back, tested, we pump again, we came back, tested, we pump again, and then we have a huge dump about 38 to 36, about 2000 2k, and it's also weak around about 35, so about like 3000 less. And now we are under this 20 weekly moving average. We are showing some bearish sign, and definitely now the resistance is about 36,900, and this is the one we have to break it to go up. But always pay attention, when we are near we always start rejecting, so there can be a good short entry as well for long term. If you go on 4 hour chart, and here you can see that already like we just wicked up, but we bounced back from this resistance and we fell back, we touched back, we tried to break. It was a fake out, I will say, and now it's coming back. So we are bearish on 4 hour. Also we are also showing some bearish sign here. RSI is normal, which means we can go up, we can go down, but it looks like more to me a bearish scenario rather than bullish scenario. So you have to be very careful moving forward. If you go on 1 day chart, the 1 day chart, I will also say that we are below 20 weekly moving average. We are showing some bearish sign. We are showing bulls are not in power, bear are in powers, and we exactly missed this. We just touched this point from 41,000, and from there 40,000 we come back. So it's mean we are definitely bearish on 1 day, and now the resistance would be 39,500. So if you are waiting to buy Bitcoin, I will say this is a good time to buy Bitcoin, and this is the resistance you have to watch. If it's break, definitely we go for a long position, but if it's not, we are going down, and that's what's happening at a moment. If we go on weekly chart, we are also on bearish. Here you can see that we have small wicks, but I think the momentum is still down. We can still go down, and I mean this is 33,000, it would be a good spot, but if we break this 30 to 33,000 we are going down. On monthly we are also showing a sign of cooling up. So I mean it's overall look like a bearish scenario, but I think it's good time to accumulate as well. The people who haven't bought the Bitcoin, I think this is the first time. Go and buy and hold it for at least 6 months. Let's have some technical analysis of Ethereum as well. On 1 hour chart, you can see that we have pumped up, we have reached about 28 and start there. We have a crash dump, and we can see the bearish sign definitely here. The momentum is also selling, and right now we have a strong resistance at 2700. So that's what we have to see. On 4 hour chart, we can see that we are also below 20 weekly moving average, which is 2700. I think if in short term we have to break the resistance would be 2700, and down we are also bearish on 4 hour. If we go on 1 day chart, we are just sitting above 20 weekly moving average, which means that we are start going to reject here. You can see that the bulls are losing the control, and I think it can definitely start turning red very soon. So 2700, it will be a good if you want to go for a long position. But on weekly chart, you can see that we have a quite perfect bounce from 20 weekly moving edge. From there we start going up, but now we're also coming down. And also here you can see that there is a first red candle, which means that we can easily go down from here, because we are bulls are not in control anymore, and we can go like this, but the time will tell, so you have to be careful. And on 1 day chart, you can see that this month we have a week about 4400, and now we are down back about 1700, I think. Yeah, and now we are having some. So this is the first sign of bulls losing control, and you can easily come and we can test this 1200, I think, which can be until here. That we can easily come until 2000, I will say, and we still be in a bull run. But in short term, I think Ethereum also looks very bearish to me, so you have to be uh, very careful, and I think it can be a good time to enter a short position as well, or otherwise just accumulate Ethereum. Okay guys, we have some crypto news here. Let's have a view. Market wrap: Musk induced sell off, crypto price drop before a slight recovery. I told you guys that Bitcoin just dipped about like 3k, and it was hovering now about 36. And what happened actually? A bearish tweet from Elon Musk whipped out some long position, providing some market on direction heading into the weekend. So people was thinking maybe we were getting bullish again, but only because of this one tweet from Elon Musk, which was a broken heart. And there's a Bitcoin sign, Bitcoin trading, and everybody's saying that maybe Bitcoin is affected by Musk again. What do you guys think? Leave a comment. Let me know as well about that. So leverage play roses Bitcoin price plunge. I always say that this is leverage play is really a risky thing. You have to be very good, but in spot trading you can always make some decent amount of money as well. Just buy low and sell high. If you are buying right now and if you think the market is going down, you just hodl it, and you can just put them in some investing, like get some interest and lend it and make some more money out of your Ethereum or Bitcoin. Some other news like Alibaba, Google, among more than 300 companies are seeking Singapore crypto licenses. This is a very bullish news that we can see some adoption here. That companies like Alibaba, Google, they are seeking for some crypto licenses in Singapore, and they are trying to be a gateway for payment. I mean, this is a very huge news, and definitely we are still in early adopters of cryptocurrency. China launches crypto right protection blockchain. The new blockchain will increase efficiency and reduce cost to protect digital copyright. China is always like playing their part role. They are silent. They do some small changing. They ban mining, then they start regulating. So China will definitely play an important part in upcoming years, and we always have to see towards China, because China is almost handling above 50% of mining operation of Bitcoin as well. So I think that's all for today guys. I don't have any more. Just be safe out there and try to accumulate for long run here. And if you haven't like, share and subscribe my channel, please go to YouTube, Crypto Guys, my channel name. Leave a hit, leave a share, leave a comment, and let me know what do you think about. Do you want to see some more pancake bunny swap full tutorial? Do you want to see some top coins? Do you want to see some more tutorial how to install and connect with Binance Smart Chain and stuff like that? Just leave me a comment and let me know about. So until that, keep safe, keep buying Bitcoin, and Bye bye.